Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a pick a card tarot reading and angel reading for you people. How will be your 2021 today from 8th April till 31st December 2021 financially? So this reading is for your finances. Now here there are 10 piles. 10 piles and all I had given numbers to them. All you need to do is to pick a number and turn by turn I will open all the piles and read the cards. We'll see what messages they holds for you. Regarding uh, you can also check description area for the timestamp. For example, you have chosen a number 8, so in the description area the reading for number 8 comes at what time, you can check that in the description area. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's start for the number 1. I hope you all have chosen the number for yourself. So, first I'll open number 1. Now, these are the cards. So, looks like some kind of changes coming. Angel message is that some changes are coming. You are thinking of change in business or job. Also, there will be some kind of confusion, but ultimately what I can see is over a period of time, by the year end, your situation will be, financial situation will be a lot better. At present things are very confusing, but looks like you will be getting your stuck money, and then things are going to improve. All in all, as the year moves ahead, your financial situation is going to improve. Now, number 2. Let's see what the card holds for you. Those who have selected number 2. Oh ho 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 ho. Looks like from today, from 8th April till 31st December, those who have selected number 2, this year is going to be disastrous. You will be hand to mouth. A sudden loss is expected. A sudden loss of money is expected. Maybe because of some shocking incident, some kind of accident, or maybe share market going down, anything. But yes, I can certainly see some sudden loss of money, and because of that you will be like hand to mouth. Also, looking at this card, devil card, it clearly indicates that uh, debt burden. Maybe because of debt burden also you will be stressed a lot, and you need to take guidance from someone senior, matured person, either from your family or who can be senior to you in your office or business or anything. Then angel message is for you is to protect what you have. Listen to your true feelings. Now look at this card. This unicorn is drinking water, and here this unicorn is keeping watch and letting him drink water. So you need to keep a watch on your finances. You need to take care of your family. Your family comes first. Safety of what you already have. Don't go for more money. Don't be greedy. Okay, don't invest in something which is of speculative nature like betting, stock market. Protect what you have. Now comes number 3. This is the angel message, and what the card says. Oh ho 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 ho. Angel message for you is to share. Now what? When you share, everyone feels happy. This is the message of the card. But here, look, this person, he is not that good in financial situation, but still he's sharing something with this unicorn. So that shows some kind of donation. Anything, that can be anything. So, now what the card suggests, look at these cards. Now here I can sense some kind of medical issues, because of which those who have uh, selected number 3 might can come in problem, some kind of medical issues. They might lose some money. So all you need to do is to be prepared for any medical contingency. Overall, it will not be a bad year for you financially, but still, yes, only I can see some medical issues, because of which those who have selected number 3 can have some kind of financial issues. Overall, looks good, and as the angel message suggested, do some kind of donation, feed animals, feed birds. That will really help you. That's what the message is from angel. Now let's check for number 4. So here are the cards for those who have selected number 4. This is also happens to be my lucky number. So first of all, these are very good cards. Magician card, Ace of Cups, and 10 of Pentacles. So overall, a very good year when it comes to finances till 31st December. Here I can see some kind of change of job or start of a new business. I can see something new coming up, and those who have selected number 4 will do very well in their job or businesses, and overall financial situation is going to be really good. But what is the angel message? Now, one step at a time. Now here is a rainbow. Behind, water is there, greenery is there, and this horse is standing on a fertile green, lush green field. So this shows that you are on the path of a growth. You can, this is the time for you to make most of the opportunities you will get, because you are going to get immense opportunities. Something out of sky all of a sudden will come, maybe some kind of a big deal, or some kind of lottery. Anything can come suddenly, and you will get benefit, financial benefits. So all in all, a very good year ahead for you from April to December 2021. Now let's check for number 5. For number 5, these are the cards. Now, those people who have selected number 5, if they are into real estate or travel and tourism industry, they are going to be benefited. Overall, a very good year ahead from April to December for those who have chosen number 5, especially in terms of finances. I can also see some kind of changes if they will uh, do job changes or change in business or travel for job or business, they'll be benefited. Change of place or any kind of change. Here I can see some kind of changes for these people who have chosen number 5, and those changes will prove to be very good financially. And overall, a very good year ahead for those who have chosen number 5 financially. Now let's check for number 6. So for number 6, looks like at present you are stuck in some kind of financial mess, maybe because of some kind of money being stuck somewhere, or some deal is not moving ahead. It can be anything, but looks like very soon things are going to improve. Some kind of good news coming your way, and you will have blessings of your guru, your god, and things are going to improve. So all in all, looks like maybe if not now, then say after 2 to 3 months things are going to improve, and second half of 2021 is going to be really good for you. So angel message for you, let's go of stress. Now look at here, this young lady is just riding a unicorn, moving away in jungle happily fast. So she is full of happiness, she wants speed, so she is moving very fast ahead. So just let go your stress and concentrate on your karma to move fast, move ahead. So that was for number 6. Now let's check for number 7. For those who have selected number 7, yes, looking at the card right now, situation is not so good financially, but soon there will be time to celebrate. Star card is equivalent to Gaj Kesri Yoga in astrology. So looks like good days are coming. Good days are coming. Changes are coming. Now look at this angel message. This unicorn is ready to move out of this door and ready to embrace the change. Ready to embrace the good changes. So situation might not be good financially for you right now, for those who have selected number 7, but things are going to be good very soon in this year 2021, so no need to worry. Now let's check for number 8, my favorite number. Number 8, excellent cards again. Here I can see lots of opportunities for earning money, especially for young people who are into business or job. They will do really well. Here, if you have invested money in stocks or anything, uh, or in say property market, you will get good value for it again. But you need to be disciplined, one thing is sure. And also, while doing any kind of investment, please seek blessings of your elder. Please consult your elders, especially father or someone who is more knowledgeable than you. Please seek advice from someone senior, and because of those advice you will certainly gain. Now, angel message: start a project related to something you are curious about. So, curiosity. So, for example, if you have not invested at all in mutual funds, so you can always check कि चलो let's invest say a minimum amount of rupees 5,000 to see how it works. Or those who have not invested till now in commodity markets or stock market, they can just go ahead with a small amount to check, because here that curiosity will lead them to money, wealth creation. And with the help of some specialist advice, someone who is wiser than them will guide them and lead them to good finances in the year 2021. Now let's check for number 9. Again, for number 9, excellent cards. Excellent. Certainly, you are going to be successful. Those who have chosen number 9, you are going to have a very good financial condition. In fact, I can see financial growth. You will, at the end of the year, you will be sitting happy and satisfied. You, there are high chances of promotion, also high chances of benefiting from government. So, all in all, a very good year ahead for those who have chosen number 9 financially. And also, this is the angel message: wish upon a star, make a wish and expect very best. This card always comes when your wish is always fulfilled. So, I can see here some kind of wish fulfillment. So, be ready, wish properly, practically, and your wish is going to be fulfilled very soon. And I can see some very good financial situation this year, from today 8th April till 31st December 2021. Now let's check for number 10. Those who have chosen number 10, again a satisfactory year ahead financially. You will be happy. These are the cup cards: King of Cups, King, Page of Cups, and Ten of Cups. So, all in all, by the end of the year, you will be like a very happy family. Something at present, there might be a situation that things are somewhat difficult, somewhat, not very, but somewhat difficult, but still you are balancing the things very well. And very soon, something very good is about to happen, maybe related to your kids. Or if you are a kid and expecting a good job, or starting a new business, then you will certainly do well. Or someone younger in the family will do certainly well, and things are going to improve financially, and by the end of the year you will be pretty happy. Now here also, angel message: love from your parents. Now look at this small unicorn uh, with his mother. Now this clearly indicates that with the blessings of your parents will do certainly well. And if you are having any problem, if you are facing any problem, card is suggesting you to talk to your parents, and they will certainly help you out of your problem, and they will help you out of your problem and help you to balance the things, and then things are going to be really good for you. This can be a parent or someone senior, maybe in your office someone senior, or in your field a guide. This person can be anything. Okay, so all in all, a good year ahead for those who have chosen number 10. So friends, that's it. Hope you like the reading. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also suggest me more topics on pick a card reading, and I will certainly come up with videos on them. So thank you. Please write in comment box what kind of reading you want, what kind of topics you want me to cover in upcoming videos. Thank you.